As 2026 kicks off, the mirrorless camera world is on the brink of disruption. For years, the market has been dominated by Sony, Canon, and Nikon, each releasing incremental updates that appeal more to brand loyalty than true innovation. But now, a new contender is emerging from Shenzhen. DJI, long celebrated for revolutionizing drones and stabilization technology, is reportedly entering the mirrorless space with FCC approval in hand. The DJI Mirrorless Camera isn't just another camera launch, it's a statement, signaling a bold attempt to challenge the status quo and redefine what professional hybrid imaging can achieve. Unlike most new camera entries, DJI brings decades of experience in movement, AI, and computational imaging. Early leaks suggest a full-frame 44-megapixel sensor, a resolution designed to balance razor-sharp commercial photography with cinematic oversampling. This could provide an ideal compromise for hybrid creators who want high-resolution stills without sacrificing professional-grade video. But the sensor is just the beginning. DJI's deep integration of computational photography and stabilization technology could make this mirrorless camera unlike anything the industry has seen before. Lens options have historically been a barrier for new systems, but DJI appears to have sidestepped this challenge by joining the L-Mount Alliance. This collaboration gives access to Leica, Sigma, and Panasonic lenses, instantly giving photographers a world-class lens lineup. Combining DJI's innovative body with Leica's optical heritage or Sigma's precision could allow for unparalleled image quality. The DJI mirrorless camera could deliver crisp, cinematic images that rival much more expensive systems while offering a fully integrated experience for creators. The rumored body design suggests a radical departure from conventional DSLR-style ergonomics. Reports point to a magnesium alloy construction optimized for thermal efficiency, allowing the camera to sustain extended high-resolution recording without overheating. Drawing on active cooling technology adapted from DJI's Inspire drones, the mirrorless body could maintain stable performance even in 8K or high frame rate 4K recording scenarios. DJI's mastery of lens motors, proven in the Ronin gimbals, might translate into advanced autofocus systems, capable of working flawlessly in extremely low light or challenging conditions where traditional phase detection fails. Color science is another potential advantage. DJI is expected to implement Hasselblad natural color solution, providing natural skin tones, vibrant landscapes, and cinematic color reproduction. This system could allow the DJI mirrorless camera to capture not only detail but the atmosphere of a scene, creating an image that feels alive. On the user interface side, DJI's Fly app philosophy may be adapted into the camera, delivering a clean, responsive, icon-based UI that makes traditional nested menus feel outdated. A software-first approach could simplify controls and streamline workflows for professional creators. What makes this entry particularly compelling is its ecosystem integration. Many creators today juggle multiple devices, drones, action cameras, pocket cameras, and mirrorless bodies, with separate batteries, memory cards, and color profiles. The DJI mirrorless camera may unify this fragmented workflow, integrating internal receivers for DJI's audio systems, enabling drone-to-camera control, and providing instant cloud uploads via eSIM. A single device capable of managing multiple components of a shoot would drastically reduce setup time and allow creators to focus on storytelling rather than logistics. Stabilization is another rumored highlight. DJI's expertise in 4D mechanical and electronic stabilization could bring gimbal-level smoothness to handheld shooting. For filmmakers capturing complex motion shots, this may eliminate the need for external rigs or gimbals, freeing up space and reducing weight. Furthermore, whispers of internal electronic variable ND filters, traditionally reserved for high-end cinema cameras, could offer precise exposure control for outdoor shoots, a major advantage for hybrid photographers and filmmakers. Strategically, the DJI mirrorless camera is positioned to challenge industry giants in both capability and price. Leaks suggest a launch range of $2,800 to $3,200, undercutting flagship mirrorless models from Sony and Canon while delivering advanced features. DJI's strengths lie in agility, innovation, and a software-driven approach. Unlike legacy manufacturers, which often rely on incremental hardware improvements, DJI may offer integrated AI tracking, predictive autofocus, and deep computational enhancements that make complex tasks intuitive. For content creators, these advancements extend beyond photography. Features like AI-assisted predictive subject tracking could reduce the need for focus pullers in solo shoots. Native vertical mode and dynamic metadata integration would cater to social media creators, allowing effortless switching between cinematic 2.40 to 1 and TikTok-ready vertical formats. Combined with next-generation stabilization, these features may redefine what creators expect from a single camera body. The DJI Mirrorless Camera could transform the workflow for hybrid creators, functioning as a full production hub while remaining portable and easy to use. The implications of DJI entering mirrorless are far-reaching. It signals a transition from DJI as a peripheral brand to a primary imaging force. No longer just a drone or accessory company, DJI is positioning itself to compete with the world's top camera manufacturers, offering a complete ecosystem that integrates lenses, sensors, stabilization, and software intelligence. If the rumored 44-megapixel full-frame sensor and L-mount compatibility hold true, the DJI Mirrorless Camera could offer performance rivaling cameras costing thousands more, but with the workflow advantages of DJI's proprietary technology. Beyond the technical specifications, DJI's move represents a philosophical shift. Legacy brands have long been hardware-first companies attempting to integrate software second. DJI, by contrast, is a technology company that designs hardware around software intelligence. This could translate into a mirrorless camera that's not just a recording device, but a predictive, adaptive imaging platform. Real-time AI tracking, seamless integration with drones and audio equipment, and cloud-connected workflows create a platform where efficiency and creativity converge. From a competitive perspective, DJI is entering a challenging landscape. Sony dominates autofocus and high-resolution stills, Canon has mastered ergonomics and color science, and Nikon continues to excel with sensor fidelity and durability. However, DJI brings a unique edge: the combination of integrated systems, advanced stabilization, and AI-driven control. By blending these capabilities into a mirrorless body, DJI could redefine hybrid photography and filmmaking, delivering high-resolution stills and cinematic video in one unified system. The DJI Mirrorless Camera is rumored to handle both professional and social workflows, bridging the gap between large-scale cinema productions and modern content creation. AI-assisted tracking and stabilization could enable solo creators to capture gimbal-level footage without additional equipment. Built-in electronic ND filters, L-mount lens compatibility, and high-resolution video options make the camera suitable for everything from high-end weddings to documentary filmmaking. DJI's expertise in drones and gimbals positions the mirrorless camera as a full production hub, capable of managing an entire creative workflow in a compact body. In conclusion, the rumored DJI Mirrorless Camera represents more than just a new entry into a crowded market. It embodies a shift in philosophy, merging advanced hardware, software intelligence, ecosystem integration, and intuitive design into a single platform. By combining computational photography, predictive AI, stabilization, and L-mount compatibility, DJI is poised to offer creators a system that handles both professional photography and filmmaking with unprecedented efficiency. If the rumors are accurate, this camera could redefine what's possible in mirrorless imaging, challenging legacy manufacturers and ushering in a new era of creative potential. For photographers, filmmakers, and hybrid content creators, the DJI Mirrorless Camera promises not just a tool, but a complete solution, blending portability, performance, and professional-grade results in one revolutionary package.